I'm going to do my exit point for IPC. My IPC exit point is about fascinating forces. I'm Travis from year 5T, and I'm going to do this experiment. The experiment is a rocket. The forces in this experiment are gravity, a little bit of buoyancy, a little bit of upthrust, and friction. So the materials to make this work is some vinegar and some baking soda with a spoon. So I'm going to fill up the bottle with vinegar, and then I'm going to quickly put in some, and then close it up. Not too slow like this. No, I have to do it very fast, so it doesn't explode in my face. So then, in case there's a leakage, I will use tape to seal it shut. I'm going to see you downstairs so I can do the experiment. I'm already here. I'm going to put in the baking soda, then the vinegar, and I will close it. I need to make sure I ready up the cork. Okay. I've turned it upside down. Then I will pour in some of the baking soda. I don't know how much, but yeah, I don't really know. I have to make sure I don't. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to put in the vinegar now. Okay. Got the vinegar right here. Okay, so we have the rocket. I quickly closed it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
I did it, and the rocket worked. And I could see all of the fascinating forces such as gravity, friction, a little bit of buoyancy, and upthrust, making it go up. So, it worked because of the upthrust, and then the gravity made it go up, and then it was like stuck there, and then gravity pulled it down, and the friction made it, with the streamline shape, it made it cut through the air. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you, Miss Fauzia. Bye.